Well, here it is. It's finally arrived. Well, no, not smudgy. Here, it's my box from Stackry. I've got a whole heap of gear in here, and I can't wait to get it in the house. This is what makes me buy everything from overseas, because I can't get it here in Australia. My Roadliner. The great thing about getting all of this stuff through Stackry is I can buy it all over the United States and get it shipped here to Australia where the parts are just not available. Here we go. Another benefit of purchasing all my items through Stackry is that when consolidated, the packaging and wasted space is removed, therefore reducing the actual cost by reducing the volumetric postal costs. So I can trust that everything in this box is as small and as light as it needs to be. Here we go, I've just opened it. I've removed nothing. This is exactly how it was. Surprisingly, I would have thought there'd be a little bit more lightweight packaging to protect my rare motorcycle parts that I can't get in Australia, and some of these things are incredibly difficult. You Stratoliner and Roadliner riders out there would notice the very top item there. How hard is that to get? Look at this. That's precisely why I'm doing this. I want an iPhone X, but it's always exciting to get my new items from the US. This is the massive trunk that I want to put on the back of my bike. There's so much room in it. I think I can even fit 2 helmets. Let's give it a go. How's that for storage?